we have here is another one of the exponential growth or decay. In this case, obviously it is decaying because it says it has a half-life of 23 hours. So what portion of 360 kilograms will remain after 7 hours? Obviously our final answer is going to be less than 360 because it's decaying. The generic formula equation for exponential growth or decay is y equals ab to the x. Remember, a represents kind of our original amount and y represents our new amount. So in this case, because we said half-life, we get to pick how much we have initially. Now I'm not going to be very creative here, and I'm just going to say we've got 1. Initially we have 1 unit, or 1 kilogram, I guess we could say, in this case. So that means if it has a half-life, it's 0.5, right? Okay. And because we have been told the half-life, the time goes up here in the x location. So we have b to the 23rd. Okay. It's that information that allows us to find our b value. Because once we know our b value, then we can use that in our equation here to solve for y. All right. So obviously 1 is just the coefficient that's just sitting there. So technically what we have here is 0.5 is equal to b to the 23rd. Well, how can we get b by itself? We can take the 23rd root of both sides. So the 23rd root of 0.5, okay? So you know to leave this in your calculator or to store it in your memory, but I got approximately 0.9703 for my b value. And so when I plug that into my new equation, I've got y is equal to 360. That's my original amount now that we're looking at. And then my b value is 0.9703, okay? My new time for my new scenario is 7 hours, okay? Remember that x is represented by the time. Now you can just enter all this in your calculator, see what happens. You should still have 0.9703 in your calculator. Raise that to the 7th power, multiply it by 360, and you should end up with the portion that's left after 7 hours. You can do that calculation, and I hope this helps.